Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and this is the Thedivaden, where I like to talk all things home. So today I'm going to do something a little different. It's another DIY, and I love all those farmhouse signs that you see around on all, like you see them on Instagram, you see them on Pinterest, you see them on YouTube, but I can't find anything that I like and within my price range. So I thought, I'm going to try and make one. I'm going to try. So I went to my local hardware store and I picked up this piece of wood right here. I think it's a 1x6 and it's about 5 feet high because I'm about 5'2", and it cost me $2.68. So that was great. So I have an idea what I want to do with this. I'm going to stain it, and then I'm going to probably add, you know me and my chalk paint. I'm probably going to add some chalk paint in the middle because I decided I want to be able to change the message on this board. I'm going to put it outside on my front porch, and I want to be able to change the message. So I thought, maybe I'll add some chalk paint down the middle and see if that works. And I already have the stain. I've used this stain for a number of projects. So I'm going to stain this piece of wood and see how it goes. Here's my sign all finished. After I had done the chalkboard, I took a bit of sandpaper and just roughed up the edges to give it a more weathered look. And I think once it's out here in the elements, it'll get a little bit more weathered even better, which I think I'll like. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I'm loving the chalkboard in the middle because that means I can change it up for seasons and I can put a different message on, and I can really see it being so cute at Christmas time with my Christmas planter out here and maybe ho 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 down it. But for now, it's going to sit here beside my planter for our Canada Day celebrations, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So that's how I made my little farmhouse sign for outside. I like it. It's going to do what I want it to do throughout the seasons. I know it's not the greatest, but that's what this channel is all about, is to show you that, you know, just try and make something that gives you joy, and don't worry about what other people think. I like it, and it's going to do what I want it to do throughout the seasons. I think it's going to be fun to change up the messages and everything. Right, bud? Want to show your Canada bandana? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll think about subscribing by hitting that red button below. I'd love to have you join me each week as I share different things that I do around my house to make it my own. And maybe if you really enjoyed this video, to give it a thumbs up. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week, and go find something that makes you happy, and try a different project. Or if you've been thinking about trying something, Give it a shot. What have you got to lose? Anyways, until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Right? Right? Bye, you guys.